My name is David Viverette. I'm in North Carolina. We're on day two of our seminar here, and I am absolutely loving it. What I've learned so far is prior to coming to this, I was concentrating on drone operations and building content. I was going to go the route of doing go the YouTube route so I could build content to take that to a customer, a prospective customer. What I've learned so far is, really concentrate on the business aspect of it and not necessarily as much on the drone flying aspect of it. I'm in the process of getting my 107 testing in a couple of weeks, and but I haven't given enough thought to the business aspect of it, and this has really sparked. I was already excited about it anyway, but it really has sparked uh, a further interest in developing that side of it. I was actually in the last session, I was writing down to myself, you really need to laser focus your niche more so that you can explore the issues that are within that niche, so that you can have that elevator pitch ready to go, not just wander onto a job site and just, hey, how's it going, this and that, but actually be ready to go with it. And this is thoughts and concepts that I hadn't really thought about until sitting through these sessions, and I'm excited about it. I'm really looking forward to the remaining day and a half, and really I'm so busy coming up with questions right now, that I'm trying to, hold off on that and pay attention to what's going on. So I really appreciate all the opportunities and knowledge that's been given here, and I recommend it to anyone. As a matter of fact, I've already spoken to my wife off air that I'm going to, what we're going to do is, we're going to she's going to take a turn on the next one that comes up. We're going to go ahead and set her up so because she's in the business with me, and we're going to build our empire together.